Alright, today I'm trying to install the rest of my solar racking system. I did this left side, put all the feet on last week, and today I'm going to try and do the right side. I wasn't able to finish last week just because it started to rain, but got the L brackets in with the butyl tape squeeze out. I'm going to go through and trim this up and put some butyl tape and whatnot. Trim the butyl tape up and then put some sealant over top. Luckily the butyl tape is squeezing out the top and everything, so it's got a good seal. I just want to go through with some like Sikaflex and whatnot and seal it even more. Yep, all right, here we go. The idea of this roofing system, of this rack design, came from Chuck Cassidy on YouTube. I got a level box here in my L brackets with some aluminum bar, epoxy to the bottom, and that's just so, because the roof is curved, it'll be able to sit like here, and then have a perfectly straight up level. The level box is so I can put this on here and find exactly where, I get a 90-degree angle from where I leveled it on my bus down below. And I'm going to go through that and do that on every single channel because I drill through the channels with bolts. I'm going to do that on every single channel, measure every single one, and then figure out, kind of take the average of them all, and then use that line, snap a line, and then that's what I'm going to use for the where I'm going to put all the L brackets, just because you need them all in a straight line. Otherwise your racking system will be all bent and all over the place.
Got a new pencil.
All right, I went through, marked all the holes, drilled them all. Now I'm gonna come through and cleaned up around them. Now I'm gonna go through and paint the holes with Rust-Oleum and the areas around them, just so the exposed metal won't rust. And yeah, and then I'll start putting the brackets on. While the paint dries, I'll show you what is going to happen. They're going to come. It's coming through the hat channel, bolt, washer, locking nut. So that roof rack won't go anywhere. Hopefully the panels won't go anywhere either. But there's the hole of it coming through. And yeah, we'll come back and put those bolts in once that paint dries up top. Forgot to videotape it, but I got the feet in, bolted them all down, got the rack in. I'm missing this side, one on this side, just because it came damaged. And had this on the back and they're going to send me a new one. But yep, those solar panels are not going anywhere.